welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very German recipe for cinnamon star cookies. These are a very traditional cookie you can pretty much always find around Christmas time in Germany. So let's get started.
Only a few ingredients today. We need 3 egg whites, 2 cups or 250 grams of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, a few drops of rum or almond extract, which is totally optional, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, and a whopping 5½ cups or 500 grams of ground almonds or hazelnuts. Separate your eggs into a large mixing bowl. Then beat the egg whites into stiff peaks. Slowly beat in powdered sugar to create a meringue. Set aside 2 generous tablespoons of the meringue. Add vanilla, extract, and cinnamon to the meringue. Add the nuts in 2 or 3 portions and fold them into the meringue. The dough should separate from the side of the bowl. I rolled the dough out on baking paper, which kept it from sticking at all. But if you have trouble with the dough sticking, use powdered sugar on your surface. Use any kind of star cutters. Traditionally, these are usually 6-pointed stars, but I also used a cutter with 8 points and 5 points. Any kind you like. This dough is quite sticky, so it often sticks inside your cutters. I used a pointed spatula to get the dough out, and it worked pretty well. Bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Do not brown. These should actually be lighter in color than the dough. You will know when they're done when they no longer look wet. Then add a bit more powdered sugar to the meringue you set aside to create royal icing. You can also use the full recipe of royal icing, of course. Put it in a piping bag without a tip. Pipe it on the top of the cookies. This is, of course, optional, but is very traditional. I got faster as I went. Then set the cookies aside and allow the frosting to dry about 30 minutes. These cookies are surprisingly soft as long as they're not overbaked. They are delicious and nutty. I personally taste the nuts much more than the cinnamon. They're really good though, one of my personal favorites during the holidays. My kids love them too. I hope you love these as much as I do. Tag me on Instagram if you make them yourself. I would love to see your work. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook. Subscribe for more recipes.